What if your tiny balcony could feel like a luxury garden escape? You don't need a huge backyard or expensive renovations to create your own peaceful green retreat. With a few plants, creative decorations, and clever design tricks, even the smallest balcony can become your favorite place to relax. Imagine sipping coffee surrounded by lush greenery, glowing lights, and colorful flowers right outside your door. In this video, we're sharing 12 simple balcony garden ideas that can completely transform your outdoor space into a cozy, beautiful oasis. Let's turn your balcony into paradise. Number 1. Add vertical plant walls. When floor space is limited, think upward. Vertical gardens instantly make a balcony feel lush and vibrant without taking up valuable room. Install wall-mounted planters, hanging pockets, or simple shelves to display your favorite greenery. Mix different textures and shades of green for a layered, natural look. Trailing plants can spill downward while compact plants fill empty spaces. A living green wall creates privacy and transforms plain walls into stunning natural artwork. This simple addition makes even a tiny balcony feel like a secret garden hidden above the city. Number 2. Use hanging baskets. Hanging baskets bring life and movement to your balcony garden. Suspend colorful flowers or trailing plants from the ceiling, railing, or wall hooks. Cascading greenery softens hard surfaces and adds visual interest at eye level. Combining different basket sizes creates depth and a charming layered effect. Hanging plants also free up floor space, making small balconies feel more open and organized. Whether filled with vibrant blooms or elegant vines, these floating gardens add a magical touch and instantly create a cozy, inviting outdoor retreat. Number 3. Incorporate comfortable seating. A beautiful garden becomes truly enjoyable when you have a comfortable place to sit and appreciate it. Choose compact chairs, foldable furniture, or a cozy bench with cushions that fit your balcony's size. Soft pillows and weather-resistant fabrics make the space feel like an outdoor living room. Comfortable seating invites you to relax, read, enjoy your morning coffee, or simply unwind after a busy day. Creating a dedicated sitting area turns your balcony from a decorative space into a peaceful retreat you'll want to use every day. Number 4. Add warm string lighting. Completely changes the atmosphere of a balcony garden. Warm string lights create a magical glow that makes your outdoor space feel cozy and romantic. Drape them along railings, overhead structures, or walls to softly illuminate your plants. The gentle lighting highlights greenery and creates beautiful shadows after sunset. String lights instantly make even a simple balcony feel welcoming and luxurious. They encourage you to spend more time outdoors during the evening, transforming your balcony into a charming escape where you can relax and recharge. Number 5. Decorate with colorful planters. Planters are more than containers for plants. They're decorative pieces that define your garden's personality. Choose colorful pots that complement your home's style or create exciting contrasts with your plants. Mixing materials like ceramic, terracotta, and woven baskets adds texture and visual appeal. Arranging pots of different heights creates a dynamic display that draws attention to your greenery. Bright and attractive planters instantly make the balcony feel cheerful and carefully designed. Sometimes changing the pots alone can completely refresh the look of your entire garden. Number 6. Create a mini herb garden. A herb garden brings both beauty and practicality to your balcony. Grow herbs like basil, mint, rosemary, and parsley in small pots or containers. Their fragrant leaves create a refreshing atmosphere while providing fresh ingredients for your kitchen. Herbs are generally easy to maintain and thrive in containers, making them ideal for beginners. Arranging several herbs together creates a charming cottage garden appearance. Every time you step outside, you'll enjoy their delightful scents and the satisfaction of harvesting your own fresh, homegrown ingredients. Number 7. Use outdoor rugs. An outdoor rug instantly defines your balcony as a living space rather than simply an exterior area. Choose weather-resistant rugs with patterns and colors that complement your plants and furniture. Rugs add warmth, softness, and personality underfoot while making the balcony feel more inviting. They also visually tie all the decorative elements together. Even a small rug can transform a plain concrete floor into a cozy retreat. Combined with greenery and seating, it creates the atmosphere of an outdoor room designed for comfort and relaxation. Number 8. Include a small water feature. The sound of gently flowing water creates an incredibly calming atmosphere. A compact tabletop fountain or small water feature can turn an ordinary balcony into a peaceful sanctuary. The soft trickling sounds help reduce stress and mask surrounding city noise. Water features also add movement and become beautiful focal points among plants and decorations. Combined with lush greenery, they create the soothing feeling of being in a natural garden. This simple addition can dramatically enhance your balcony's ambiance and encourage moments of quiet relaxation. Number 9. Grow climbing plants. Plants are perfect for creating a lush and private balcony retreat. Install trellises or decorative supports where vines can grow upward and outward. As the plants mature, they soften walls and railings with abundant greenery. Climbers naturally create shade and provide a sense of enclosure that makes the balcony feel more intimate. Their vertical growth maximizes limited space while adding dramatic beauty. Watching vines gradually transform your balcony into a green haven is one of the most rewarding experiences in balcony gardening. Number 10. Add decorative lanterns. Bring elegance and charm to any outdoor setting. Place decorative lanterns on tables, floors, or hanging hooks to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Battery-powered candles or LED lights inside lanterns provide a safe, soft glow after dark. Different shapes and sizes add visual interest and complement the natural beauty of your plants. Lanterns make the space feel thoughtfully designed and cozy. Whether your style is modern, rustic, or bohemian, this simple decoration instantly enhances the ambiance of your balcony retreat. Number 11. Mix different plant heights creating. Layers with plants of varying heights makes a balcony garden appear fuller and more professional. Place taller plants in corners, medium-sized plants near seating areas, and smaller varieties on tables or shelves. This layered arrangement guides the eye around the space and creates depth. Combining different heights also allows every plant to receive attention and prevents the garden from feeling flat. The result is a dynamic and visually pleasing design that resembles a naturally growing landscape rather than a collection of separate containers. Number 12. Personalize with decorative accessories. The most beautiful balcony gardens reflect the personality of their owners. Add decorative accessories such as statues, wind chimes, candles, artwork, or small garden ornaments that make the space uniquely yours. Personal touches create character and make the garden feel special and meaningful. The goal isn't to overcrowd the area, but to carefully choose items that complement the greenery and atmosphere. Thoughtful accessories transform your balcony into an extension of your home, a comfortable and inspiring retreat designed specifically for relaxation and enjoyment. Your dream garden doesn't require a huge backyard or a big budget. With a little creativity and a few thoughtful touches, any balcony can become a peaceful green retreat, filled with beauty and comfort. Start with 1 or 2 ideas, then gradually build your own personal oasis. Soon, you'll have a cozy outdoor sanctuary where you can relax, recharge, and reconnect with nature every day. If you enjoyed these balcony garden ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow plant lovers. Happy gardening!